Vilna is one of the loveliest and oldest cities of Poland, and for all nations living in the area, she is the source of elixir from which they draw in their everyday life. For the Lithuanians, Vilna is the city of their bright past. For the Poles, the city of Mickiewicz, Słowacki, Lelevel and Pilsudski. For the Jews, the Jerusalem of Lithuania, the city of the Vilna Gaon, rabbis, scribes and maskilim, and the cradle of modern Jewish culture. Also, the Belarusians have numerous bonds with Vilna. The cultural needs of the masses of the Jewish folks are already so mature that the creation of a central scholarly institution has become a vital question. The founders of YIVO were determined to raise the status of Yiddish and its culture not just among Jews, but also, perhaps especially, in the worldwide scholarly community. Even if YIVO's founders did not often articulate that goal, they wanted to redress the wrongs done to Yiddish, from which its earliest days had always been treated with contempt as the vernacular of the common people, decried as a corrupt jargon of German, denied its standing as a pedigreed language with its own grammar and syntax. Vilna is the centre of the dispersed Jewish intellect. This became so thanks to YIVO. The YIVO operated on faith. Without financial sources, it exploited its intellectual and scholarly resources, drawing upon a whole generation of university-trained Jewish scholars in a wide variety of disciplines. Everything about the YIVO, its location, its landscape setting, its modern design, the gleaming immaculateness of the place, delivered a message. I interpreted it to mean that the YIVO had class, was no mouldering institution, but a place from which distinction and excellence would issue. Even more, the YIVO was no sordid relic of the past, it belonged to the future.
ist der Alter bis Hamedrisch. Die Seicher weisen dem Mann von die Twilis. Auf dem Schulhaus befindet sich euch die weltberühmte Straschon-Bibliothek, welche vermogt seltene Suren mit Xaviaten, wo seinen alt zu 500 Jahren. Oft der Reingang in der Bibliothek. Und jetzt gehen wir rein in Rechten mitten von einem modigen jüdischen Ghetto, wo sie bestanden aus der Gläser in Jatkowa-Gass. Die Gass von Guen.